Hi, today I will show you how to write an email. Well, what is email? Email means electronic mail. It's actually a letter like the traditional postal is, but here writing paper is replaced by electronic screen. Pen and ink have been replaced by electronic keyboard or touchpad, whereas the runner and postmaster have been replaced by internet. In this class, we'll discuss the general pattern of writing a personal email, which is sometimes the syllabus of the typical exams for the students. Generally, the examinees are asked to write an email within one page in the examinations, but in real life, you can exceed it as you wish. Now, we'll see a structure and model of writing an email. Look. To Shreyan100@gmail.com. Subject: invitation to join a picnic. Dear Shreyan, hi friend, you are leading well, I think. Then Suman, Kamal, Rakib, Nirav, and I have made a plan to arrange a picnic to be in the Sundarbans Kalagasi, which is in Satkhira range, dated on upcoming 22nd March. As transport, we will use microbus and trawler. It's actually a day-long tour that will cost around 1000 taka, in which up-down fare, breakfast and lunch are included. Our carrier will depart at 6 am sharp from the Khulna Road intersection of Satkhira on the decided day. Your association in the joyful trip will enthrall us. Convey me your decision within 17th March. Don't hesitate to inquire me if any query. Waiting for your replying email. By yours, Shamiho. Attention please on the blue, red and green colored words and phrases while starting the email. Well, at the very first, the blue colored letters are the email address of the recipient. You can also write your own email address under that, but not needed, because when you write or send an email from your account, you don't have to write your own address. After that, the red colored line, the subject: invitation to join a picnic. Some people write it in the box, but not compulsory. Under that, you can also write the sending time, day and date, but not necessary, because email is internet linked. So at the time of sending it, time record is fully saved. Then the blue marked Dear Shreyan. It is salutation. You can write dear friend, loving friend, etc. Then the body of the email. At last, the closure and complimentary. The closure: waiting for your replying email. By complimentary, yours Shamiho. The word yours you can use in any type of email. Now we will diagnose the email. At first, hi friend, you are leading well, I think. An exceptional sentence in structure, because the connector like clause I think we have used at the end of the sentence instead of at first. The greeting and well-being is also very short. In email, greeting and well-being should be so, because you have to manage writing within only one page. Leading, very good word, instead of going on. After that, blue lettered then, the connector, ... punctuation mark, and so many commas we have used here. Have made, past participle. A plan, the synonym of which we will write later. To arrange, infinitive. To be, also infinitive in future form. In the Sundarbans Kalagasi, in, preposition. We have used a set of correlative prepositions. Sundarbans, apostrophe after s, as it is plural form. Which, connector, and this is a complex sentence. In Satkhira range, a phrase, and again preposition in, dated on, the use of past participle, and preposition 1 before the name of day. Upcoming 22nd March, a good phrase. As transport, connector. Microbus, synonymous of the used words in the mail. It's apostrophe before S because it is singular. Actually, a connector, a day-long tour, a good phrase. That connector. At the same time, it's a complex sentence. Around, very careful use of preposition, in which preposition and connector. Up down fare, a fine phrase we have used, are included. Passive form. Our career, we have avoided repetition. Instead of microbus, we have used career. Depart, very standard word. Instead of start, go or leave. At 6 a.m. at before the fixed time, whereas around, which we have used here also, means near. 6 a.m. sharp, that means just, sharp, very good use. From, a preposition. The Khulna Road intersection, a good phrase we have used. On the decided day, a phrase, very good phrase with past participle. Look into the beauty of the used words here. We have used the past participle form, that is decided. In the next line, we have used the noun form of that word, that is decision. Association, very standard word. In joyful trip, in preposition, in different situation. Joyful trip, a phrase, trip instead of tour. Enthrall, that means impress. Convey, standard word. And decision we have told before. Within, so careful use of prepositions. For example, in, at, around and within. So related. Hesitate to inquire, infinitive. Inquire, instead of ask we have used if any query, if. Connector and conditional, and at the same time it's a complex sentence. Any query, instead of question, curiosity. Waiting for a replying email, very short structure. We have omitted subject here for preposition. Replying email, present participle. So dear viewers, you have seen that all the sentences written here are related to the topic. So we have achieved, I think, task achievements and coherence quality, and at the same time we have used so many connectors here. So we have achieved cohesion quality, and we have used so many standard words and phrases here. So our writing has passed also lexical test, and in this small piece of writing we have used 3 complex sentences out of 6 sentences. We have used passive form also, and so many types of grammatical terms. So the writing is also grammatically enriched. Dear friends, today till now will be appear before you again with a new topic. Till then, Tata. Dear viewers, thank you very much who have already subscribed my channel, but those who have not yet, requesting you to subscribe my channel and like it. Moreover, don't forget to press the bell button to get my more